right, nice dive, Skyler. Okay, she's up. She's swimming. Is a same heat as the 25 with one boy out in front. Skyler's cruising down the pool. She's got her hurricane teammates to her side. They're slowing down a little bit. We'll see what happens on this decisive. Oh, flip turn in lane 4, flip turn in lane 3. Skyler throws the open turn. And they are churning down the pool. We'll focus in on Skyler and get her freestyle stylings. And all the Hurricanes started cheering for the 8 and under 25-50 freestyle. Hey, whoa, go Hurricanes! All right, Hurricanes, all the way to the wall, Hurricanes!
Yes, Skyler!
Awesome. She's in, she's up. Big board, lane 2. 105.86. 105.86. Well, that was a tight race. 104, 105.4, 105.8.
You got your 100 free coming up, right? You got that?